What's up, guys? Welcome to another Euro USD GBP USD weekly outlook with Alpha Blue. So, guys, before we go into the analysis, the weekly analysis, let me just say something that you may not have figured out. So, usually you will find me analyzing GBP USD and Euro USD at the same time, even though they are correlated pairs and they move alike. But you will always see me analyzing two of them. Now, the reason is there is an advantage to analyzing these pairs at the same time because even though they move alike, some of the times you'll find out that they don't really do the same thing. So sometimes you'll be looking to trade Euro USD, but the setup there is not very clean. It's not giving you what you want. But then when you check GBP USD, you see that you have a very clean, clear textbook setup sitting right there. So that's the advantage. It's good that you analyze two of them. Then at the end of the day, you pick one of them to trade, depending on which one looks more clean, which one looks very, very good to jump into, right? So instead of just sticking to one, I used to trade only Euro USD before, but then later I realized that some of the time I could just sit on my hands, miss a trading setup on Euro USD, whereas if I had checked GBP USD, I will have taken that trade because my ideal setup was very, very clear, was very, very perfect on the other pair. So that's the advantage. It's actually better you compare the two at all times than you trade, the one that looks better. Some of the times, very few occasions, I used to trade two of them when the setup looks too good, for me to just leave it. So that's the reason why you find me always analyzing GBP USD and Euro USD. It's for comparison for me to just pick one and do it at the end of the day. All right, so having said that, let's jump into the analysis. So this is GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. So moving into this new week, um, I'll still look to continue this bullish order flow. As you can see, we have this bullish order flow on the 1 hour time frame. It's very, very obvious. So throughout last week, we've been having, buyers take the market up and form higher highs and higher lows. So right now, I'll be waiting to see what the market will do on Monday, and then I'll be looking to continue buying this pair, until it gets to somewhere like here or here. So right here, we have this other block right here, this bearish order block. That is my first target, actually, for this bullish continuation. I feel the market will continue till it gets to this point, or even take out this point right here, because this point right here is even like a point of liquidity, because you notice we have something close to double top or equal highs right here. So this is a potential place that price can even come to. But to just be conservative, if I get my entry signal right here, I will look to trade the market and take my profit just about here. Now, it's actually also very obvious why I'm looking to buy this market, because I see this as engineered liquidity. You see this right here, the price came and didn't take out this high, it just came and started selling up. It's engineered liquidity. There's no reason why buyers should not target this place to take out this place, right? Think about it. Do you see this place as a strong enough zone for sellers to be, you know, here, for sellers to be plenty here to sell this price and break all the way down here? So if you look at this double top you see on this 1 hour time frame here, it's just a trap. It's the trap to trap retail traders, right? So someone may look at this and I feel like this is a good place to sell, but it's not. It's just trapping you to take your position, and then the buyers come and clear it off. So that's what I'm looking at. We also have an imbalance right here that could potentially, be filled. Then the other block, then the liquidity at the top here. So because of these reasons, I'm actually looking to buy GBP USD into this zone right here. To buy GBP USD into this zone. So whenever I see something like this on the market in the market, I'm excited because I know it's engineered liquidity. This place right here is not there's nothing solid here to make us have enough sellers that will break this market structure to the downside. I don't see that happening, right? So how do I intend to get into this buy? Now, I've already marked out an area of liquidity. If you know my trading strategy, I look for I look for only two things. So I first look for a liquidity sweep, then I look for an indication that buyers or sellers are in the market, then I take my entry. So right now, this is the point of liquidity that I've marked out, and I'm waiting to see that price sweeps it, right? So if we come and then we sweep this low right here, this week's right here, we sweep it to the downside, there's even another block here, right? But I don't really care about the other block. All I just want to see is that there was a liquidity sweep, and then price has started showing me signs to continue in the bullish direction. Then I'll jump into the trade. So that will just be it. So for this, moving into this week, at least for the beginning part of the week, this is my bias for GBP USD. I don't know if from here we'll continue down or we'll break to the upside and continue moving up. I don't know. But then this is my bias. I feel we should see more bulls that will drive price to this high, to this high. I don't think the sellers will at this point take this price down here. Well, it's a possibility. It can happen. I'm actually very, very fluid. I'm actually very, very adaptive. Anything I see in the market, I trade after that. So, and I will not trade until I see my ideal setup. I will not take any position until I see my perfect setup. If you're on my Telegram channel, you will notice that I don't take much trades. At most 2, 3, maybe highest 4 trades in a week. But then 2, 3, that's the usual. Sometimes even 1, 7. So I'll trade only when I see my setup, and then so even if this breaks to the downside here, we'll still wait for price to further develop and then gives us what we want to see. Print that pattern, then we jump in, then we'll jump in. So do well to join my Telegram channel. If you've not, do well to join my Telegram channel so that you trade with me. You see all the trades I take. I share all my entries right there. So that is it for GBP USD. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So you see how it looks. So you see the double top I'm talking about, or the relative equal highs I'm talking about right here. We also see the other block I'm talking about. So I'm going to be taking my profit. If we get an entry here to buy, I'm taking my profit around here just in case this other block wants to, send price back down. So I'll be taking my profit just here. Then we'll wait and see what happens. I also feel that all of this is liquidity that price will potentially come and clear, right? This is a trend line, and I know that it's liquidity, is a form of liquidity that price can potentially come and clear. So at the end of the day, I feel we probably will just, come up here, and then from here we'll sell down. Let me see. So let me show you what I feel is going to happen in the market. So I feel this is it. This is going to be it. So we may see price come here, right? Come up, feel all of this imbalance, probably react on this other block, or come up here, take out this liquidity, then it sweeps down, it goes down like this, and comes all the way to this side, clear all of this trend line liquidity and all of that. So this is what I am speculating will happen on GBP USD. It's a very, very solid possibility. It's a very, very solid possibility. So let's just see what the market does. Let's see how the market evolves. Then on Euro USD. Now, Euro USD, you see that what Euro USD is doing something similar, only that on Euro USD, price has already come into the 4-hour order block. But on GBP USD, price has not gotten into the 4-hour order block. So Euro USD is kind of, a bit confusing. You're thinking probably price will not come back here because it's respecting this other block and it's to continue to go to the downside, right? It's continue to sell from there. But let's see how it goes. I'm still looking out for the same thing on Euro USD, sorry. What I want to see is price, take out the liquidity. Let me just delete this for now. So this is the liquidity I've marked out. This is the liquidity I've marked out. Let me delete one of these. So let's see price comes and takes this out and gives us an indication to buy. Then I'm actually going to buy and target this high right here. I've already marked out this high. So this will be my target. It could potentially come higher. I don't know. So that will be it. Price can also come lower to take out this liquidity right here. This week right here. I think I will do a video on liquidity to show you the different types of liquidity, what and what can be, classified as a liquidity, just in case you don't know, because there are actually different types of liquidities. So what this right here, you see, this week, there's weeks are also liquidities, because this week is where somebody has placed his stop loss or his entry, and liquidity is just, orders, where there are stop orders, buy orders, and all of that, So this right here is also liquidity. So this market will take this out and reverse from here, or even come down here, to take this out and reverse from here. Especially that there's an imbalance on this candle, and so this could even be it right here. This could be it. This could be the liquidity we're actually looking at, right? So price will come and take it out before we see it push to the upside, just like this. So price will come take it out before we see it push to the upside. So this is something that's also possible, or this is the main thing I'm actually looking out for on Euro USD. So I feel Euro USD will come to this highs too before we see a potential sell-off, right? Before we see a potential sell-off, maybe from here it can now come all the way. So it can now come all the way to the downside from here, and now come down. So this is it, guys. This is my weekly bias. This is what I think should happen on Euro USD and GBP USD. Just always remember to always stay adaptive. This is an outlook, this is a forecast. So there's no 100% guarantee that this is going to happen. In fact, there's never a 100% guarantee that anything will happen in the market. What makes you profitable is you staying adaptive and just sticking to your trading strategy or your trading style. You know what you're looking for. You wait for that thing to happen, then you strike, you execute. So it's simply that, guys. I hope you got value from this. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so you get more content like this. So, and I wish you guys a profitable week. I hope that this week will bring you money, will bring money to your bank account, and make your life better. So cheers, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.